In the last video I showed you a free and simple way to upscale your AI art. Upscaling or vectorizing is necessary to get the best image quality possible. Well, the only downside is that you will get huge file sizes. Most print-on-demand platforms, such as Amazon Merch on Demand, won't allow uploading files that are bigger than 25 megabytes. In this video I will show you a fast and simple way to compress your images in bulk to drastically reduce their file size without losing quality. And on top of that, the tool is absolutely free to use. Let's dive in. Okay, the website is called sarasoft.com. And it looks like this. The website is very simple. It says Caesium image compressor, and Caesium is a free software developed for simplicity and effectiveness. So you just scroll down to get to the downloads, and here we are. It's for Windows and for Mac. For Windows I would recommend that you download the installer version, and for Mac it's just a DMG file that you just download with a double click and then drag and drop the app into the app folder. So in this video I will show you the app that you can install in your computer, but they also have the option that you can do it online. But if you have a lot of files and you want to compress these images in bulk, I would just recommend that you install the software. And here we have the software. Basically it's really simple to use. You can drag and drop your images right in this field, or you can add them with this button. You can add JPEG, PNG and WebP images, and if you're selling print-on-demand products, PNG is most relevant to you. These are the settings by default. I would recommend that you just leave it like that. And you also have the option to resize. Right now we don't want that. And you have the output tab. Right here you choose the output folder by clicking select. You can also put a check mark right here, but I wouldn't recommend that because then the files will be overwritten. So let's remove it. I would recommend that you create a new folder for your compressed images. For the format, I would recommend that you leave it like that, same as input. And you can also choose your own suffixes if you want that. Okay, now I will demonstrate the software. For this demo I will use the upscaled images from last video. And if you want to see the last video, just click in this corner. Okay, here we have the files from last time, and actually I added some more. And if you look at each file size, they are quite big after upscaling. So here we have 25 megabytes, 27, 13, 8, 26 and even 32 and also about 32 megabytes. And that's just way too big. I created a new folder called compressed, where the software will put the compressed images in. Okay, to use the software you just select your images and then you just drag and drop these files into this white window. And here we go. And now you see these 7 images in the list, and it says 7 images in list, and this is the total megabytes of these images. And then you just click compress and it's compressing, as you can see it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's done. Compression finished. As you can see, it's quite fast. Caesium will show you that it's done and it will give you a nice statistic. So we got total files of 7. The original size was 157 megabytes and the compressed size is 32 megabytes, and we saved 124 megabytes. So we saved about 80% in space. Let's click OK. So every file has a green check mark. That means that it's done. And you can also see the reduction of each file. Now we can check it in a folder. Here's the compressed folder, and here are the files. Here we have our 7 files and the file size is just like we wanted. Okay, let's just pick this graphic for comparison. Here we have the compressed image number 5 and it's about 6 megabytes and the resolution is about 6K, so that didn't change. So when I go to the original folder and pick 5, you can see that it originally was 26 megabytes and the resolution is the same. Now I want to show you a comparison of these two. So I will open the original image on the left and the compressed image on the right, and then we will compare. Here we have the original image. And let's go to the compressed ones and pick number 5. That's the compressed one. And when you see it on the first glance, you can't see a difference. So now we'll zoom in to see the details. Okay, remember the original file is on the left and the compressed version is on the right. And as we see the details, we can't really see a difference. For me it looks just the same, but please write in the comments if you see any difference. Now maybe you're asking, how is that even possible? Well, it's magic. I've been using this tool for quite a long time now, and you can expect a compression rate of about 70 or 80%. And that's just quite impressive for the results that we get. Basically, we just get smaller file sizes and no loss of quality. So my recommendation is that you just do this with all your upscaled images. You get quite a lot of benefits. First of all, it takes less space on your computer or on the cloud. And then second, the upload on the print-on-demand platform or platform that you use is way faster, especially if you have a slower internet connection. And then of course handling the files on your computer will be faster. And for the last benefit, I think the platform will be happier with you because you will take less space for the same files. So in conclusion, I can really recommend this tool if you're looking for a fast and easy solution to reduce the file size of your upscaled images. It's free to use and you can use it locally on your computer, so you don't even have to upload your images to a server that you don't know. If you want to see my video where I show you a great AI tool to remove backgrounds, then click here. And if you're looking for a tool to upscale your images, then click here. The tools I showed you in my videos are all free to use. Did you like this video and want to see more AI tools, tips and tricks? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.